850 meters above sea level over the western ridge of Cheongak-dong in Jirisan National Park. A surprising place is located. Is there such a place in Korea? More than 1,500 stone pagodas, fortress walls decorated with millstones and mortars, and lakes in the mountains and ancient buildings. This is Samseong-gung. It is a place to commemorate the three saints, Hwanin, Hwanung, and Dangun, the progenitors of the Koreans.
우리 민족의 근원적인 시조 한인, 한웅, 단군 세 성인을 모시는 성전이다. 그게 삼성궁이에요.
Since 1984, Kang Min-ju, a native of this place, has started to build 3,333 stone towers with his discipliners to restore the ancient society to realize a world that widely benefits people and governs by reasons. More than 1,500 stone pagodas have been built so far, and this place continues to expand. When you reach Samseong-gung, the first thing that catches your eyes is the Cheongak-dong Museum in the shape of a crane. Samseong-gung collects and preserves over 120,000 folk artifacts. There are several sculptures here in the Shinshi performance stage. The pond with a small island connected by a wooden bridge above it is also beautiful. This is the place where one of the founders, who worked hard to restore this place, is enshrined. This cave ceiling appears to be a reproduction of petroglyphs. The stairs are carved out of a whole rock. Climbing a path where rocks protrude from the neatly stacked stone walls. Reproduced Mago Castle finally unfolds. A legend says, in 70,378 BC, in the walled city located in the present-day Pamir Highlands, a woman like a goddess dressed in hemp appeared and began to rule over people. The woman's name was Mago, and that castle is called Mago Castle. It is said that the people in the castle autonomously created rules and lived happily with freedom, equality, and peace. Mago Castle had a mild climate, and there was plenty of food and drink. Their leading group migrated to present-day Northeast Asia and became the ancestors of the Korean people. Sculptures of various expressions are placed in the windows of stone walls. Following the sign for Samsunggung, you reach the Jecheondan. Circle means heaven, square means earth, and horn means humans. Going over the ridge, the Samsunggung area begins. the left is Martial Arts Hall. Hwanung, the son of Hwanin, the god who rules the sky, loved the human world. He led the people of the heavenly world down to the earth in order to make the human world more comfortable. He opened a new city there and ruled the world. One day, a bear and a tiger came and asked him to make them human. Hwanung told them if they ate only mugwort and garlic and endured 100 days in a cave, they could become humans. While the tiger could not stand it and came out of the cave, the bear became a human in 21 days. Hwanung married the incarnate woman and bore a son, Dangun. Dangun founded a country on the foot of Mount Taebaek and named it Joseon. Now we go up to the Konggukjeon. The stairs carved out of a single piece of rock are a work of art that makes it humble to step on. The stone gate stacked with weight distribution is very exquisite. Stepping stones supported by a stone wall on only one side is also novel. Finally, we reach the Gyeonggukjeon. Here are hung the portraits of the three saints, Hwanin, Hwanung, and Dangun, and the spirit of the National Foundation, a world that widely benefits people and governs with reason. Samsunggung today is being expanded and renewed. Master Han Pul, the founder of Samsunggung, calls him an artist who installs arts and architectures on the earth.
100만 평이 넘는 땅에다 그림을 그리고 있지 않습니까? 계속 그려가고 이것도 하나의 그림입니다.
What is the future of Samsunggung? A cultural facility that preserves the identity of the Koreans as the root, and a martial arts center.
민족의 뿌리인 민족 성전, 우리의 정체성을 지켜가는 곳으로서의 상징성을 가진 배달 민족 성전이라는 문화시설을 제일 선두에 두고요. 그 무예를 가르치면서 무예 전당으로서 이게 무예의 성지인 거죠. 또.